Do you love the look of your home, office, or car just as much as the comfort it provides? Welcome to iSmart Tinting, where we ensure both style and comfort with our premium window tinting services. At iSmart Tinting, we specialize in top-notch, high-quality automotive, residential, and commercial window tinting. Tinted windows not only provide a stylish appearance but also offer many practical benefits.
Enjoy increased privacy, improved indoor temperature control, extended lifespan for your furnishings, and protection against harmful UV rays. All this and more with iSmart Tinting's window tinting solutions.
Our experienced team uses high-quality materials to ensure a seamless application process. We take the time to understand your specific needs to recommend the best window tinting solution for your car, home, or office. So, are you ready to give a stylish twist to your windows while crowning them with multiple benefits? Get in touch with iSmart Tinting